Hello, everybody. Welcome to Remrov's World of Autism. Um, in this video, I just want to show you my new apartment. One of my videos, I told you that in my other apartment, I really didn't feel at home. It was extremely small and felt confined, and I felt trapped. So I moved again in the same building, 2 floors lower, to apartment 6. So I'll show you around. This is my hallway. I'll show you my bedroom. Still have to hang up my artwork. Oh, that's me. And still have some things in garbage bags. But yeah, I'll deal with that in time. Some more artwork. And here we have the bathroom. And bathtub. My skateboard. This is my work room. I have a 4.5 now, so I have an extra room to do my artwork, which is nice. Elmo keeping me company. I tried to work on my drawing a little bit again this morning, but yeah, in the spring this year I had a pinched nerve in my neck on my left side, and not long ago I woke up with the same on my right side. I immediately started to do like exercises for it, and so the pain is not that much, but I have an extremely stiff hand, so I have a lot of troubles with holding the pencils and making those the movements with my hand. So drawing is very difficult at the moment. I hope it's going to be resolved soon and that it feels better again. The rest of my hallway. Here's my kitchen and my bike. It's all bigger. It just feels yeah, just a lot nicer and less confined, and I just feel a lot better. I'm actually looking forward to go home now after work. I have a Christmas tree. And this is my living room. It's also a lot bigger. It's almost twice as big, my living room. And I have an extra room. I'll turn on the light. It's a bit dark in here, so that's a bit better. And my chessboard set up. Couch, obviously. Still want to hang up some more things on the wall. But I'm really happy in this space. It just feels a lot better. I mean, practical wise, I didn't need bigger, of course, but yeah, emotional wise, I really wasn't doing well in my other apartment. So yeah, I'm really happy that this one was available in the same building, so it wasn't such much of a hassle to move again. Mr. Tiger guarding the my hallway. So yeah, that was it. I will be doing my videos from now on from this apartment. I also like the view a lot better, and the other apartment was a lot higher, and the view I was looking on the rooftops, and yeah, which I didn't like all that much. And now I'm closer to Sherbrooke Street, and there's just more life, and you see people and other houses, which is just nicer than just rooftops. That was it. That was my video. I hope you enjoyed my video, and yeah, I hope to see you with my next videos again. And of course, I wish you all very happy holidays, and see you after the holidays again. Bye.